Hello, welcome back to a little hotel room tour from me. Today I'm at the Park Hyatt Abu Dhabi. I've been here for the past few nights. And yeah, we arrived late Saturday evening, so it was really dark and I didn't want to do a room tour when we first arrived, just because it was so dark. So now that there's daylight and it's the day we're checking out, I thought I'd quickly do a room tour before we leave. So please excuse the state of the room. It's a little bit messy while I've been trying to pack up. But anyway, so here we have the entranceway. This is a park room. And you come through the front door, which is here, and then you've got this nice little entranceway. So down on this side you have just kind of kettle and a ice bucket, and then in here you've got a little mini fridge to put bottles of water, bottles of wine. Here you've got the usual tea and coffee making facilities, and the actual tea and coffee bits in here, along with a coffee machine. And then this way, here you've got kind of a little dressing unit with just two nice big drawers here for all your bits and bobs. This very cool light fixture above. And then here we have the big wardrobe. So this is kind of the closet space right here. And then the toilet through there. So here you've got this closet, lots of hangers, bathrobes. In here you've got kind of space for cases and shoes, and then on this side you've got the iron, the safe, more space for cases or shoes or whatever, and then two drawers again for kind of shoes or bits and bobs, and then down here you've got your classic hotel slippers. In here, this is this kind of little powder room, which is very compact but cute. Through here we have the bathroom. So here is a sliding door that goes across. However, this is an issue that we found. I'll just flip that back around to explain. An issue that we found was that although there are these screens separating the bathroom from both the bedroom and the closet space, they are actually see-through. So if, like me and my friend, you are staying with a friend or a parent or a sibling, it's not ideal. So every time one of us has showered, the other has had to sit on the balcony and kind of wait. Because, yeah, even though these screens are here, I don't know if you can see through the screen, but you can clearly see through the screen into the bathroom. So that is kind of the major flaw that we found with this room design. But into the bathroom you then have two really big his and hers sinks, and then in here you've got your kind of usual bathroom amenities, more in there with coffee mugs, etc. They do give you hand sanitizer, and what's something I was super excited about is that the toiletries here are Le Labo. I don't know if that's the right way to pronounce it, but really lovely toiletries. And then you've got a nice full length mirror there. Here, please excuse the towels in the bottom. I don't know about you, but I always put dirty towels at the bottom of the bath so that it's easy for the cleaners to pick up. But yeah, you've got a really lovely big bath here. They do actually leave a loofah and then bath salts and shower gel in there, but I've used those. And then we have a great big shower here, with both a kind of rain shower and then a classic shower as well. And then back through here, so again you've got these screens. And I'm not sure if the camera picks this up very well, but again you can see clearly, kind of, it is obviously a little bit obscured, but for the most part you can see everything through. And then here we've got the bedroom. So we have a twin room. As I said, I'm traveling with a friend, so we've got a twin room with nice sized twin beds, bedside tables on each side, and I have to say though, the plug points are a little temperamental. I don't know if you can see this, but my plug point here is kind of coming out of the wall a bit. But yeah, apart from that, we've got a nice living space as well. So we've got table and chairs, and then a kind of little sofa thing, and then humongous TV, and then we go outside, we pull these across, we go outside to the balcony with these very heavy doors that I have to put all my weight against to pull open. Ooh, that's a workout. And then here we've got a really nice day bed, fan above for in the hotter months, and a nice little chair, and a rack for drying your clothes, towels or swimming clothes. And then here we've got the view, and here's some construction work going on, but down there you've got the swimming pool, and then the ocean is over there with the beach club. So a really lovely view. I'm pretty sure most of these rooms have this view. Okay, I'm going to move back inside because that's actually very loud. Sorry, I'm just showing you my nostrils, taking you for a tour up my nose. Ooh, I'm just trying to close this door. It's honestly, it's impossible. Oh, okay, right, that's as far as it's going to go. So yeah, honestly, we've had a really good stay here, really, really lovely stay. The staff have been incredible, very COVID safe, and yeah, really lovely. And even though obviously the slight hiccup with the bathroom being see-through, apart from that, I've actually loved this hotel, and I did stay at the Ritz-Carlton in Abu Dhabi a few years ago, but I actually think I prefer the Park Hyatt, to be honest. The Ritz-Carlton was very family focused. It was a beautiful, beautiful hotel, but I wasn't a huge fan of the swimming pool there. It wasn't very clean when I was there. The staff weren't the friendliest I've ever met. And the Park Hyatt, it just has a very different feeling. You know, when you go into a hotel and it has a certain feeling. The Park Hyatt is just very welcoming, very friendly. The lobby area feels like an art gallery. It's a refreshing change in the Middle East, to be honest, to be in kind of more of a modern hotel rather than those luxury, glamorous, gilded hotels. This is kind of more my vibe, to be honest. And the pool area is just incredible here. And yeah, we've had a really good stay, and I highly recommend it if you're planning to come to Abu Dhabi anytime soon. So that's it from me today. If you enjoyed this video, if it was helpful, please give me a like, give me a follow, subscribe for more hotel room tour content, and I will see you very shortly in my next destination. Bye!